Right guys, how's it going? Quick little video here. That was me finishing off the artificial grass. We use Nam grass solace. Obviously, seeing the bases it's gone on, 150mm sub base, type 1, probably about 50mm, maybe even a little less than that, 6mm to dust as our final base layer. Weed membrane on top of that, Taram. Laid the artificial grass, glued the grass joins together using Aquabond, and then Aquabond around the concrete haunch around the perimeter, sanded the artificial grass and brushed it up, well, brushed the sand in, the kiln dry sand in. That's me finished on that project now, finally, last day on Monday. I'm going to try get down there and do some drone shots and things like that, some final things. I'm definitely going to be back there in like April, May time to do some planting. But yeah, we're all done there. I'm actually going on some building work now, so with a construction firm, so I probably won't be posting any videos for a while. This will be my last one for a bit, unless my drone shots, I managed to get down to the last project and get some drone shots done. No point me really filming any of my construction work, or the construction work I'm doing, because it's just boring. It's well, plus there's a site full of people, so it's a little bit more weird when you've got a camera sort of walking around. People get a bit like, yeah, anyway. But yeah, so thanks for watching guys. I will be back. My holiday was awesome. I'm going to post a few videos, pictures up now to show you what Canada, Banff was like. I know it's a little bit different, but I'm just going to show you what it's all about out there, just in case no one's experienced what it looks like out there. It's crazy, it's awesome, definitely recommend it. Extremely expensive for like, it's like $7 for water, which works out at about £4.30 for a bottle of Evian, which is crazy because over here you get like 6 bottles for $4.75 or something like that. But yeah, so crazy. That was my holiday anyway, so it was awesome. Nice to have a break, nice to have a bit of a chill out. As I've said before, I'm taking a little step back this year just to focus on my home life, my family life, my health. Just to, well, my aim's to have IVF in June, so just wanted to take a step back from work for this year really. So I'm working with my friend who's on works for a construction firm, or he's got his own construction firm. So I'm helping him out and the team out. So yeah, you might see me, you might not. I'll try to post some finished videos of this project. It's dragged on a bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, hope you're good, what you've been up to. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.